This bird messing with my ball. These seagulls ain't no joke. Move my ball. Look at that. Hey! That ball too. Look at it. Got my damn ball. Gonna fly for my ball. Get out of it. Hey! You got my ball. Look at that. He gonna try to fly for it. Hey! Oh man. Thievery. And they ain't gonna sit on the other side of the water and play with it. Look at him. That's some crazy. This mud. Just sitting on the crosswalk there, just playing with my ball, man. Got it right in his mouth. Damn. It's a good ass ball too.